what happened on this day in history. The yen was introduced in Japan by Meiji government in an act signed on June 27, 1871, in an effort to modernize the country's economy. The yen replaced the mon currency of the Tokugawa era. The word yen means circle or round object. It is made up of 100 sen or 1000 rin. According to Investopedia, the Japanese yen is considered to be a safe haven as it retains or increases in value in times of market turbulence. American writer, director and producer Jeffrey Jacob Abrams, better known as J.J. Abrams, was born on this day in 1966. Abrams is the name behind the hugely popular Lost TV series and has either directed or produced several popular science fiction blockbusters, including some Star Wars episodes. J.J. Abrams has most recently produced the series Little Voice, whose trailer is out now. After 59 years, the iconic Route 66 in the United States was decertified by the Highways Authority after it voted to remove all its highway signs as well. The 2,200-mile-long Route 66 stretched from Chicago, Illinois to Santa Monica in California, passing through 8 states. It was the scene of a mass westward migration also during the 1930s, but it became obsolete due to the massive system of interstate highways that were being built since the 1950s. Often called the Main Street of America, Route 66 became a pop culture mainstay over the years, featuring in songs, movies, TV series, and still remains a popular merchandise item in the states that it passed through. Midnight's Children author Salman Rushdie donated $8,600 to survivors of a devastating earthquake in Iran on this day in 1990. However, Rushdie's death sentence announced by Iran's then Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini in 1989 was not overturned. Rushdie had been in hiding since February 14, 1989, after outrage over his book The Satanic Verses, a novel many Muslims consider blasphemous.